Welcome to another installment of Baking with Monkeys.
What is this?
I recruited my sisters to help me make banana bread today because we have two disgustingly nasty bananas and we need to use them before they get super bad. But I'm pretty sure this one's already pretty bad. It's like oozing. Okay, we're not gonna talk about that. Can you stop doing that? So we're gonna make banana bread today. We're gonna follow a recipe. We have made banana bread muffins before. So we're just gonna follow that same recipe. And I decided to film it because I thought it would be fun.
Yep. Yes.
Cool. Nasty stuff.
She wasn't lying when it said it was oozing.
Can I sit between you guys? Oh my. Alright, so it says that we need to use 3 to 4 bananas, so we're gonna mash those up in this bowl. That is nasty. Did you wash your hands? Perfect!
I'm gonna have this because
I'm gonna eat it. Don't eat it. Oh, we need to mash it up. So, Lelo, why don't you mash and I will begin the Q&A portion of this video.
Yeah.
You might need a fork.
That is not how you mash, you are mixing. Mash is like
You're literally mashing it. I didn't really come up with any questions, so I'm just gonna take them from my noggin.
Your brain?
Yeah, my brain.
I'm sorry, I don't understand big words. My vocabulary is not that.
I want to talk about like toxic friendships because I know you've experienced this.
Oh.
And I just wanted to know like your thoughts about it, and Lolo, you too, if you have any experience with toxic friends. Lolo's like, I don't have friends.
I'm Lolo toxic friend.
Aw, so cute. You don't want to be mean to someone, especially if this friend has been your friend for a specific number of years, but you've just realized like as the relationship has progressed and as the years have gone by, it hasn't been the best situation necessarily. So how would you go about, you know, telling someone to back off?
So when I was friends with this one girl, she wouldn't tell me stuff. Like if she was going through something, she just wouldn't tell me. She kept secrets from me. I think she was talking behind my back or something like that. Oof. What I did is I literally DM'd her on Instagram and I was like, hey, like, I just don't want to be friends anymore, and like this has just gone like too bad. But I felt so much better afterwards. Look at these mashed bananas.
Mashed potatoes.
You can like text them about it. You can just be like, hey, like I don't want to be friends anymore.
I guess just like be upfront about it.
And I know that might be hard, that's understandable, but like honestly, like once you do it, like it's like
your life is so much better.
Yeah,
it's like a way to like off your it's like a way to off your shoulders. I just think communication is like so key, especially when it comes to toxic relationships, because when you realize like that these people or this person in your life isn't benefiting you and you aren't benefiting them, then it's time to cut ties.
Snip snip.
But in the nicest way as possible. You know, don't just flick them off.
Yeah.
Lelo, I need you to measure out 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I hope I have
shred them.
Well, I was going to, but that broke. The grinder.
How did it break?
I broke it. Oh no, you can just look at Lelo right now. Lelo, you don't need this spoon. You can just grab it with this one.
Oh.
Yeah. You're so. Okay, so this is one. I need to get a whole other one, like a complete spoonful.
This bowl looks
no. The same spoon, but just fill it up.
Oh, I thought you meant a different type of spoon.
No, monkey. No. Okay, it's like 1:40, and someone had just woke up.
Shut up! Don't expose me.
Now, with every tablespoon of chia seeds, you need to add 3 tablespoons of water. 1.
That's cool.
2, 3, 4, 5. No. Cool, now just mix it.
No.
We're gonna have to let that sit for like 5 minutes. We probably should have done that in the first step, but it's okay.
You should go see like a psychic.
Oh yeah.
But I've been having like psychic coincidences happen to me. Like Lolo will say something that I'm thinking in my brain, and that'll happen like a couple times a week, and I'm like, what is going on? I'm a psychic.
That when we need a 1/3 cup of milk. You don't have to keep mashing it. I think you've mashed them enough. Oh yeah, Lolo's gonna be an 8th grader this year, and Samara is transitioning into high school. Are you nervous?
Keep bumping my belly. What is up with that? I don't like that. I'm not ready to be an adult.
You guys, you have like 5 more years. Calm down. Me, on the other hand, I'm already there, and I'm freaking out. Okay, so we need a 1/3 cup of coconut oil, of melted coconut oil. Yeah, but we need to melt it. So,
I'm not gonna get out.
Lola, we're just gonna transfer liquids. Ew, I don't like this. Ew, it's on my finger.
Let me look at this.
Lola, you're weird.
This bowl is so like modern and like futuristic.
You wanna know the story behind that?
Yes.
I stole it from a restaurant.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I thought.
Don't arrest me!
I've stolen things too, don't worry. But like,
What?
did you? You're gonna get mad at me for stealing something when you just stole something?
I had to. Okay, I ordered a side of beans, and he gave me like the takeaway container with the rest of my food.
Yeah.
And I was like, how am I supposed to take my beans? Because the beans were in this little bowl. So I was like, well, I'll take the bowl. Now we're gonna measure out 1/3 cup of the melted oil. Great. That's how much we'll use. Less than 1/4. Lolo, do us the honors and pour it in.
Why is this like a scientific experiment?
So now we're gonna use 2 tablespoons.
Of the cheesy?
What's the next step? We need 2 tablespoons of the agave. That's 1. Did you just lick the bottom?
No.
Then we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Lola, can you pick out the teaspoon? No, that's a measuring cup.
I have a question.
What is it?
Where would you like to go to visit? Like anywhere.
Anywhere in the world?
Yeah.
I know Lolo's answer. Okay, how about we answer for each other? Lolo would be Japan or Panama City Beach. Loves. Samara, I think Canada. Korea makes more sense. You love anything with skincare, so you would go to Korea.
Skincare. Oh my God.
Ooh, what about me?
Argentina. My time has come to
Okay.
answer this.
Oh my gosh.
Argentina.
Argentina? Never heard of her.
Maybe New York.
I can see New York. Greece? I would
Greece?
love to go to Greece.
Greece is so pretty.
Greece looks
I've seen
so
pictures of it and
pretty.
it's
One day, ladies. So now we need to do the dry ingredients. So we need a 4th cup of coconut sugar. Don't have coconut sugar, we're just gonna use plain old white sugar. Go ahead, add it in. Now we need a 1/2 cup of rolled oats. I ate it this morning. Yeah, 1/2 cup is right here.
Oh. Oh.
You guys really can't read, huh?
Shut up, Nahir.
Great, 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 great. Now we need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder.
I can. I'm weak.
Awesome. Now we don't have any baking soda, so hopefully this still rises. Then we need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we need 1.5 cups of flour.
Another question.
Another question. Okay, so how about for anyone that's going into middle school or going into a new high school, what would be like your #1 advice?
Panic. Middle
Panic.
Middle school is not that bad. Middle school is fine. The teachers are annoying. And well, in my middle school they're annoying.
What about Mr.
Okay, we're not exposing anyone.
Don't say anyone. Actually, it went by pretty fast. I thought it was gonna go by slow.
I'm just gonna wash this.
You don't. No, that stays here.
But it's an ice cream scoop.
I know. And now we mix. Do you guys think that you have changed from the beginning of middle school to the end of middle school?
Yes.
Keep mixing, girlfriend. I cleaned off the mess that we made, and I set up the oven to 350 degrees, and now we're just gonna pour in the batter and then put that bad boy in and call it a day.
Oh, baby. Hallelujah.
All right, let's put it in the oven. I think you put it in the oven for like an hour or so. I need to check the recipe. Lola, would you do the honors? Careful.
Should I just open it?
That would be the first step.
Okay, well,
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you liked my special guests. You want to say bye? I hope you got some useful advice. If not, well, sorry. Appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed down below already, it's down below. Subscribe. You should do it, right, guys?
I mean, if you want to.
Oh.
I'm gonna eat.
What's the matter?